everybody, welcome back to the channel. So I'm here with Carl. We're at a farm that we've been to many times before. Actually, this place, I have fond memories of this place. This is before we started taking videos. I found a couple of my first old coins over yonder. Found a large cent here, Indian head over there. And right about in here is where I found my first KG2. I believe it's from the 1730s. So yeah, awesome place. Got a nice open field. We've done this field, but we have not done this field. So we have all of this to work with. We're gonna be using the AT Max today. I have the big NEL Tornado coil on. There's Carl, he's already getting started. So yeah, come on along. All right, first hole. I'm gonna have to try to speak up today. I actually have a sock, like an actual sock over the end of the phone. Hopefully that'll help cut down the wind noise. Got in this little clump, our first coin. See what we got. See if it's modern. Looks to be clad, I think. Oh yeah. So first hole of the day is a clad dime. All right, I have lots more ground to cover. There's Carl. You digging? You can't hear me. It's about my third hole. Got myself some old iron ring. It's like it has some age to it. Yeah, so hopefully I'm in the right area. We'll see. I was getting a real scratchy, like a mid-60s. It was bouncing all around. I just got this. I cleaned it up. It almost looks like it's musket ball size, or maybe smaller, but I don't know. I don't think it's a musket ball, although I have found musket balls on this property before. It almost looks like a carved, like a mini ball that's been carved or messed around with. I'm not sure. But yeah, it's kind of a cool find. Comment below, what do you think? You think it's just a hunk of lead? Or do you think it may have been a bullet at one time? Let me know. Yeah, unfortunately, if you want to find the old buttons, you gotta dig up some of these, because the numbers are pretty much the same. All right, at least we're cleaning up some trash though. Yeah, I'm gonna show you who the real goats are with all this coronavirus going on. The real goats. Yeah, what's up, guys? How you doing? How you doing? What's up? How you doing, guys? Oh, starting to get a little frisky. Oh, excuse me, sir. Just doing a little survey. What's your favorite TV station? Oh, what's that? NBC? Oh, okay. All right, gotcha. Turkeys. All right, here's my plug. My initial number was like in the 70s, kind of scratchy. But I swung my coil over it. It's right here. I was reading about an 84. I have a feeling it's a clad quarter, just by the number. We'll see together. Oh. Hold on. I don't know. I'll be right back. Yeah, just as I was afraid of. This is a clad quarter. The green color fooled me. had me going a little bit. I thought I may have had a half cent. 1982.
shaking.
Carl's shaking.
I'm shaking.
Karl is shaking. All right. What do you think it is?
I have no idea. It's green and it's big.
All right. Oh yeah, there's some green stuff coming off of it. All right.
The green fell off it.
You got a coin. You got a large cent.
No.
Yeah, I think you have a large cent, Karl. Do you wanna finger it, or you want me to do it?
You can check it out, dude.
Let me get another hand on this. I'll be back.
It's not a clad quarter, is it, please?
No, it's a large cent. It's 100%.
Really?
100%.
Shaking.
It's ringing up 85, so my guess is that it's a US large cent, but just not quite sure. She's chunky, Karl. Here's your coin. Ready? You gonna catch it?
Yep.
Nice job. We gotta maintain our 6 feet.
Yep. Cool.
Congrats, buddy.
Thanks, dog. It is fat.
It's fat. It's thick.
It's fat.
Here, let me show the people at home how thick it is. I mean, she's perfectly round. No dents, dings.